In FlyGo Pilot Logbook, there are two ways to back up the entire database. Let me show you how. One method is to use iCloud Backup Restore. To back up to iCloud, go to iCloud Backup/Restore and use the Create New Backup button. This will create a snapshot of the database, which you can restore on any of your devices by selecting the relevant backup. To delete old backups, drag the line of the backup to the left. If you want to use our app on multiple devices, you need to make sure you use the same iCloud account on all devices and have enough free space on your iCloud storage. The other method is the Share Send database. You can use Share Send database to make a copy of your current database. The resulting file will be called logbook.sqlite, which can be saved as a separate file. Example, to a folder on the device or storage space, but can also be sent by AirDrop, message, or email. To restore the backup, select the backup file. Select Pilot Logbook in the list that appears, then select Import. It is important to note that in both cases when a backup is restored, the data previously stored in the program is deleted. We hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and learned more about FlyGo Pilot Logbook. Don't forget to try all the other FlyGo applications too. Fly safe and see you next time.